In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly to proofread your Google Forms. If you've ever worried about typos or unclear wording slipping into your form, Grammarly can help you catch and fix them as you work. We'll start by getting the Grammarly browser extension set up. Then we'll open your form, make sure Grammarly is active inside the text fields, and finally apply suggested improvements in real time. Begin by opening your preferred browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Head to the Grammarly extension page specifically for that browser. Click the button that says Add to Chrome or Add to Browser. Your browser may ask you to confirm. Go ahead and allow it. Once it's installed, sign in to Grammarly if you're prompted. This ensures your writing suggestions are tailored and that the extension can run correctly. If you've used Grammarly before, just confirm you're logged in and that the extension is turned on. Now, go to Google Forms and open the form you want to edit. You can start from the main Google Forms homepage or open a form you've already saved. Make sure you have editing access to this form so your changes will stick. With your form open, click into any text area where you want Grammarly's help. This could be a form title, a description, or a question field within a question card. When you place your cursor in the field, you should see the small Grammarly icon appear in the bottom right corner of that text box. That icon indicates the extension is active. As you type, Grammarly will underline potential issues in real time, such as spelling mistakes, grammar slips, or style and clarity opportunities. If you don't see the icon, try clicking directly into the text again, or briefly refresh the page to reinitialize the overlay. To fix something Grammarly flags, hover over the underlined word or phrase. A small card will pop up with a suggested correction and a brief explanation. Click the suggestion to apply it instantly. If a suggestion doesn't fit your intent, you can dismiss it and keep your original wording. Work through your form at your own pace. Titles, descriptions, and questions, accepting the suggestions that improve clarity, tone, and correctness. As you continue editing, you'll notice fewer underlines, which is a good sign your form is clean and consistent. That's it. With the extension installed, your form open, Grammarly active in each text field, and suggestions applied as you go, you'll end up with a polished Google form that's clearer, more professional, and easier for respondents to understand.